Morning, YouTube. Morning. As y'all can see, phone mount came in the middle. So I'm about to start doing some POV vids. I'm getting ready for work and shit. So I'm about to put this on my head and start the car. E85 cold started. So let's see how it goes. So here's the whip. Bath's is a little shaky, but I'm gonna get it situated. Yeah, I gotta go in from the passenger side because the handle on my inside kind of broke. So, but I'm gonna give y'all a little update on the wheel. So my damn push start ain't want to work for a second. So I kind of took it off and put it back to the key. Crazy thing is, I cannot see. Yeah, let me get out like this. All right, we good. We good. All right, y'all about to. Oh yeah. Ooh. Down E85, boy. So you smell that E. Probably gonna shut off on me. Dang. Dang. Gotta give it some throttle. Old girl wanted to die. She kept on shutting off on me. Kind of holding the throttle. But yeah, this is it. A 24A RBP4 Type S oil pump E85. So I'm gonna give y'all a little launch action as soon as I get to the main road and kind of get out towards work. But I'm gonna go ahead and shut up. I'm just gonna let y'all enjoy the dang ride. Alrighty. She warmed up good enough. Head ain't stabilized like that. Go! Jesus. What you sitting right there for? Little pull for y'all. I don't want people looking at my darn car. I know I look dumb with this damn this mount on my head, but I ain't tripping. I'm not tripping on it. But yeah, E85. My face. I be letting them motherfucker breathe. Rain. Dang it. Wow. Come on, man. I ain't feel like driving in the rain. Dang, that's slow ass. like driving with open headers. Hope y'all can see the sun in your face. Tell y'all, it's a young N birthday, an N24. I'm getting old, man. Getting old. It's crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Don't worry, this trash getting the Jesus. Going back into my designated area. Oh, look at rainbow. It's a rainbow. About to hit this, but I took it off. I kind of miss using the key. Let me get inside, y'all, cause it's about to rain some more. But I forgot to wipe it. Yeah, y'all see what's on these bad boys? R888s. But thanks for routing me, y'all. I'll catch y'all later. Ding ding.